Welcome, Algebra Lab parents and students. This isn't our first rodeo. We've been together all school year. A few of you may be new to the class, but I'm sure that you'll fit in quite nicely and we can roll on with the rest of the school year. Just a few quick little reminders. Please make sure Google Classroom is being checked daily. That's where I post what we did, copies of notes, any upcoming assignments, and really just general announcements for the school. Please, please, please be checking Google Classroom so you know exactly what your expectations are. Also, I've had a lot of questions recently about when extra help is available to students. There's really 3 different ways that this can happen, at least from my classroom. After school availability is posted weekly on Agile Mind. My schedule changes weekly, so it does make sense for me to say, hey guys, this week I'm available these days until these times. So if you want to stay after school, just check that first and then shoot me an email letting me know, hey, is it still okay if I stay Wednesday until 3:30? Likely I'll just respond, sounds perfect, I'll see you there. If after school is not really a thing that works for you, you have sports, you have a job, etc., etc., I also have morning availability help. I start my day at the annex just like all of you, so it makes sense that if you can come in early for extra help, come meet with me. I'm usually to school no later than 7 o'clock, so that gives us a solid half an hour of one-on-one time before the bell rings. So feel free to come in any morning if you feel like you're struggling on your homework or you just want to review a little bit before a test. That sounds like a perfect opportunity to me. The last way that you can get help is on Mondays and Wednesdays after school. We have free National Honor Society tutoring here at the main campus. That tutoring happens until 3:30 in the afternoon. So whether it's my class, Algebra 1, or maybe Spanish, English, what have you, you just need a little extra help. I would highly encourage you to take advantage of that opportunity. It's free, it's easy, the students are super helpful, and they're going to target the needs that you have directly. So please look at that. The only other thing I really have for you is just to remind the parents that I'm here to make sure that your student succeeds. In order for that to happen, I need them to want to succeed. So they need to make sure that they're doing their homework every night. Homework is practice, practice, practice to prepare for quizzes and tests. So homework is the ultimate thing I'm going to stress that your student really needs to do. And yes, they do have homework every single day, so don't let them tell you otherwise. If you feel like you're not believing, or maybe you are believing them, again, check Google Classroom because that's a clear way of communication between myself and you. Finally, since this isn't a brand new class, I'm not sending home a syllabus at the beginning of the school start for this semester, but I am going to send home a paper of reminders. How do you get into Google Classroom and how do you use Agile Mind, and basically what some expectations of the classroom are. The very last page of that has a parent and student signature page here. Parents, it's just to let me know that you've read the information and you know what expectations are. And students, this is your time to kind of communicate with me. Also, you understand your expectations, but what is your current grade? What do you want to end my class with? And if you do want to end up with a high grade, how are you going to get there? Just a couple of sentences. Let me know what your plan is for the rest of the school year to make sure that you're the most successful you. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to email me. That is the clearest and most easy way to contact me. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.